And obviously, as someone who has had the opportunity to obviously cover a lot of you and your thinking and stuff like that, I then wondered, what exactly are you saying? And do you still remain a member of the ANC, but you will not vote for the ANC or campaign for the ANC because of what it is doing? And secondly, I think someone who operates outside of the ANC parameters expels himself. Are you not daring the ANC and its president to expel you? Thanks.
Thank you. There's a next question. Okay. No, another person to respond to that one, then we'll move to the next one.